Good morning, dear students. Yes, in the previous class, I have taught you about the Africa continent. Yes, and the Africa continent, it is a second largest continent. Yes, and which is the first largest continent? Yes, do you know? Yes, I have taught already. Yes, very good. That is Asia. And second largest continent is Africa. Yes, and Africa has 54 countries. Yes, whereas Asia has 48 countries. Yes, and the equator, that is 0 degree line, it passes almost through the middle of this continent. Yes, that is Africa continent. And also the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, it also passes throughout the Africa. Yes, and we know that Europe and Africa, it's separated by the Mediterranean Sea. Yes, and Asia and Africa, it's separated by the Red Sea and Suez Canal. And also Africa is bounded by the Indian Ocean in the east side and the Atlantic Ocean in the west side. Yes, and tell me, which is the world's longest river? Yes, very good. That is Nile. It is the world's longest river and that flows the Egypt. Yes, and the one more thing, that is Sahara Desert. It is the world's longest hot desert. Yes, that is stretches across the North America. And the Suez Canal, so it is man-made canal that is in Egypt. Yes, so that was a trade. There was a trade between Asia and Europe by this route only. Yes, and Victoria Falls is there, and Mount Kilimanjaro is there, Kalahari Desert is there, and so many minings that they are. Copper mining is there, and the diamond and the oil. So copper mining, that is Zambia. It is a very important mining is in the Africa continent. So this is all about the Africa continent. So let us see North America. Yes, so North America, it is the third largest continent. Yes, it is the third largest continent. The European explorers and discovered America around the end of the 15th century. Yes, European explorers discovered America around the end of the 15th century and gradually began to settle there. Yes, the people who were living there before the Europeans discovered America, they are known as Native Americans. Yes, that is the people, they are living before the Europeans discovered America, so that people are called or the known as Native Americans. So the North America, yes, so it is bounded by the Pacific Ocean in the west side. Yes, so you can see the Pacific Ocean, where it is. Yes, it is the west side. Yes, that is the left side of your mobile screen. Yes, and the Atlantic Ocean, that is east side, that is the right side of your mobile screen. And in the north side, Arctic Ocean. So like these three sides, the Pacific Ocean is there, and the Atlantic Ocean is there, and the Arctic Ocean is there, and these three oceans bounded to the North America. And this continent is shaped like an inverted pear border, yes, towards the north and tapering at its southern end. Yes, and the narrow Panama Canal. Yes, you can observe. Yes, the Panama Canal, it is in the red word, that is red color. Yes, that is Panama Canal. You can observe the South America and the North America. Yes, between the that is the South America and the North America connected by the Panama Canal. Yes, so it consists of Canada and the United States, Mexico and Central America, Alaska as a part of the United States. Yes, in North America there are some important countries are there. That is the Arctic, that is the Alaska is there, and the Canada is there, United States of America is there, Mexico is there. Yes, so these are the some important states. Okay, next Mount McKinley. Yes, so Mount McKinley in Alaska, it is the highest point of the North America. Yes, so Mount McKinley. Yes, then tell me which is the highest peak in Africa. Yes, that is Mount Kilimanjaro. Yes, and in the North America, the Mount McKinley, it is the highest peak, that is in Alaska. Yes, and Death Valley in California. Yes, Death Valley in California is the deepest point. Yes, Death Valley in California. Yes, so that is the deepest point of North America. Yes, what is Death Valley? Yes, so it is a desert valley in eastern California, and it is one of the hottest place on the earth. Yes, yes, what is valley? Valley means it is a narrow place. Yes, narrow and the deepest place among the two highlands. Yes, that we call valley. So Death Valley, it is in California, and it is one of the hottest place on earth. So one more prominent thing is there, that is the Statue of the Liberty. Yes, Statue of Liberty. Yes, you can observe, you can see in your mobile screen. That is Statue of Liberty. Let's know more about the Statue of Liberty. Yes, so it is a robed Roman liberty goddess. Yes, and she holds a torch above her head with her right hand. Yes, what she holds? She holds a torch or a flame. Yes, above her head with her right hand, and in her left hand she carries a tabula and staff book. That is a book. Yes, so this is world famous statue. And next one is, you can find redwood trees in North America, and the Niagara Falls, it is a world famous falls, and also the Grand Canyon, which is very important in North America, and also Banff National Park of Canada, it is important national park. Yes, and we can find the different types of animals also in there, like golden pheasant is there, and exotic birds of Central America, and the beavers. Yes, these are the some important animals which we can find in the North America. Yes, and the United States and Canada have used their natural resources. Yes, they are oil, coal, iron, copper and gold, and the creative ideas of their ethnically diverse population is to become a leading global nation. So this is all about the North America. Yes, so North America, that is, let's see once again, and it is a third largest continent. Yes, and it was bounded by the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Yes, the Panama Canal, it connects to the South America. Yes, and There are, it consists, North America consists Canada, United States, Mexico, Central America and Alaska. Yes, and Mount McKinley, it is in highest point. Yes, and the deepest point is Death Valley. Yes, and Niagara Falls is there, the Grand Canyon is there. Yes, and the Statue of Liberty. Yes, it is also in the North America. So this is all about North America. So let us see one more continent is there, that is South America. Yes, South America, it is the fourth largest continent. Yes, first one is Asia, next one is Africa, third one is North America, fourth one is, that is South America. Yes, so it is the fourth largest continent, and this continent is also shaped like an inverted tear. Yes, broader in the north and tapering towards the south. Yes, it is broader in the northern side and tapering towards the south side. Yes, you can observe here, and it is joined to North America by Panama Canal. Yes, so so Panama Canal, as we have seen now. Yes, yeah. So South America, it joins to the North America by the Panama Canal. Yes, so it has the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Yes, it has the Atlantic Ocean to the east side and the Pacific Ocean the west side. Yes, can observe in your mobile screen. Yes, so Atlantic Ocean in the east side and the Pacific Ocean, yes, that is the west side. And the Drake Passage, yes, the Drake Passage south of Cape Horn separates South America from Antarctica. Yes, so there is a Drake Passage, it separates South America from Antarctica. Yes, so let us see what is passage. Yes, passage, the water between islands, and is typically called channel or passage. Yes, that we called canal or passage, that is separated South America from the Antarctica. Yes, so next one is the Andes Mountain. Yes, so you can see here the Andes Mountain, which is the west side of the South America. Yes, so they have marked a mountain range. Yes, so the Andes Mountain run along the Pacific coastline. Yes, the Andes Mountains, it runs along with the Pacific Ocean from north to south. Yes, and the Amazon River. Yes, the Amazon River, it flows across 6 countries. Yes, so Amazon River, it is a very important river of the South America, and it flows across 6 countries. Yes, and it is the world's largest river by volume of water. Yes, so it is a world's largest river by volume of water, and the Amazon rainforest, called the lungs of the earth. Yes, the Amazon rainforest, it is known as the lungs of the earth because there is a huge amount of the forest. Yes, and is situated in the Amazon River basin. Yes, where it is the Amazon rainforest, so it is situated in Amazon River basin. So the Amazon rainforest is rich in wildlife. Yes, so because there is a huge forest. Yes, and it has a wild stretches. So therefore the wildlife is very rich. Yes, and it also boasts of a large number of plant species unique to the area. Yes, and it includes the large number of plant and species. Yes, so let us see isthmus. Yes, what is isthmus? Isthmus, that is a narrow strip of land with the sea on either side. Yes, to larger areas of land, yes, that we call isthmus. So let us see next one is Angel Waterfalls of Venezuela. Yes, Angel Waterfalls of Venezuela. So it is world's highest waterfall. Yes, so it is a world's highest waterfall that is Angel Waterfalls. Where it is? It is in Venezuela. So next one, the royal city of Machu Picchu. Yes, in the Quechua language, Machu means old. Yes, in the Quechua language, Machu means old, and the Picchu means peak, that is old peak. The name means old peak. Yes, so you can see the royal city of Machu Picchu was built by an Inca ruler around 1450. Yes, so it was built by an Inca ruler. Yes, so Inca, it is a civilization. By that civilization it built which one? Machu Picchu city. Yes, and huge blocks of granite were cut and carved in such a way by the Inca workers, and that they did not need any mortar to cement the blocks. Yes, they make a very clearly and cleanly. Yes, the workers, that they did not need any mortar to cement the blocks. Yes, so this is all about the South America. Yes, South America, it is the fourth largest continent. Yes, and the Panama Canal, it joins to North America. Yes, and it has Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. Yes, and the Drake Passage of south of Cape Horn, it separates South America from Antarctica. Yes, South America and Antarctica separated by the Drake Passage. And mountain, that is Andes Mountains, it is a famous mountains. It run along the Pacific coastline. Yes, and Amazon River. Yes, it is the world's largest river, and it flows across the 6 countries. And also Amazon rainforest area is also there, and it is very rich in wildlife. Yes, lots of large number of plant species are there. Yes, and the Angel Waterfalls of Venezuela, it is also famous, and the Machu Picchu city, which was built by the Inca ruler around 1450. Yes, so these are the some important information about the South America. So I hope all of you understood this. In the next class I will be teach you Antarctica. Yes, thank you for watching.